Hi everyone! Olá, sejam bem-vindos! In this video, I will be talking about adjectives. I will be focusing on the superlative absolute form of adjectives. What does that mean? This form is used to express things like I am very tall, eu sou muito alta, or Portugal is very beautiful. Portugal é muito bonito. While it sounds very easy, in Portuguese we have two ways of expressing this idea. We love to use adjectives in this form since it emphasizes in a strong way what we are saying. Mastering these is very important because it gives you the chance to convey ideas clearly and to understand people when using these adjective forms. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I have over 150 videos to teach you the Portuguese language and culture. So if you are interested in this topic, don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out my page on Instagram, Learn European Portuguese Online, where you can have an up-close and personal view on my work and follow my trip to Portugal at the end of the month of June. E agora, vamos começar! Adjectives are variable words that serve to qualify nouns. Tall, beautiful, blue. These are just a few examples. If you are a beginner, feel free to check out my video about plurals of nouns and adjectives. The superlative absolute is used to express your personal opinion, not comparing it to anything else. It's just what you think. This form is used to speak about something that has a high level of regard or a certain quality. This degree can be divided in synthetic or analytical. Analytical means you use adverbs like muito, meaning very, before the adjective, just like in English. Synthetic, as the word itself shows, is a simple form, just one word. This implies adding the suffix íssimo to the majority of the adjectives. This form is used when you want to add enthusiasm, drama, or a very obvious idea of the high level of the quality you are describing. A very typical Portuguese way, along with a hand movement and facial expression to help with the idea of super or extremely. Be aware that when the adjective is irregular, like in English, there's a new word for it. Let's see how this works with some practical examples for both situations, starting with the irregular adjectives. If someone asks you, como foi o teu fim de semana? How was your weekend? You can answer, foi muito bom. It was very good. Remember that the word muito, when used as an adverb for very, it is always invariable, meaning it will always end with a no. Now let's emphasize muito bom in a stronger way. Foi ótimo. It was great. Next question. Como te sentes? How do you feel? Sinto muito mal. I feel pretty bad. Or, sinto-me péssimo. I feel awful. If you are a woman, you would have to say péssima. Remember that we need to match the adjective to the gender of the noun. If you struggle with how we agree adjectives in number and gender, check out this video. One more example. Como foi o filme? How was the movie? Muito interessante. Very interesting. Now let's learn how it works with regular adjectives for the superlative synthetic form. Our adjective is the word interessante. We need to drop the final vowel and add the suffix íssimo. It becomes interessantíssimo. Que tal as tuas férias? How was your vacation? Pay close attention to the noun férias. It is feminine plural. You can answer muito caras, very expensive. Or to make the adjective even stronger, caríssimas. Como foi o teste? How was the test? Foi muito fácil. It was very easy. For the adjectives fácil and difícil, easy and difficult, we don't apply the íssimo suffix. In this case, you just have to add the suffix imo to the word. Fácil becomes facílimo and difícil, dificílimo. Note how the accent changes syllable. I always love to teach my students this topic by using the word obrigado in Portuguese. Remember that if you are a woman, you should say obrigada. If you are very thankful to someone, you can say muito obrigado or obrigada. But if someone went the extra mile to help you, you can emphasize it even more, your gratitude, with a obrigadíssimo or obrigadíssima. So now it's my turn to say obrigadíssima to all of you for watching. Leave below a comment on how your study is going and if you use adjectives in this form. Até a próxima!